Welcome to week 5. And week 5 is kind of a catch your breath week after week 4, which, wow, that humongous discussion you had to write. That was a short literature unit, and then to finish the literature and turn that in. And so now, kind of reflection. You know what week 4 did have, though? It had deadlines that you wrote down. Time management strategy could be applied to meet those, and you met that and moved on to week 5. You know what the writing of your project doesn't have? Deadlines weekly. There'll be deadlines. They call their benchmarks. You meet this benchmark, you meet that benchmark. But, and of course, you have, everything's due. Discussions are due Thursday, responses by Sunday, assignments Sunday, move on. When you start to write your own project, the lack of that framework can be an issue. So begin to think about the independence you will have when you begin to write your project, independent of solid, specific frameworks like this, and how you will make sure you set your own deadlines and meet those. So this focuses on the concept of systems thinking, and that's thinking about the system in which you're going to solve your issue and what happens within that, the interconnection. It also talks about you're not looking at things as assumptions as to blame somebody. Rather than blaming one role, many interconnected roles, and that's a very positive foundation for your project. Here's something we can improve rather than here's something that somebody's made worse and I'm going to make better. It's a collaboration based on that. The discussion, things you need to know. Here's one really cool thing I think now. This book can be connected out for 2 weeks from the Capella Library. Rather than buying the entire book, that's a money saver there. And it's a very popular book as well. The revision matrix is really for you. It wants you to, you get your literature review back and you look at the writing revision matrix. You document how you've used the feedback from different things. And that's what the discussion post's about. It's asking you to stop and think about your writing. What feedback did you get from me? What about smart thinking? And you know what? If you didn't get a chance to turn into smart thinking, turn it in now. Even after the fact, you'll get good feedback. So the discussion asks you to be reflective on your writing. And it also, the course, has to look ahead to this idea of systems thinking. It's a good time to catch your breath and take stock of yourself as you prepare for the next part of the course and look for the program ahead.